welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. I have finally perfected my favorite recipe for oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Of course, when working with healthier ingredients, it can be tough to really get that perfect consistency and chewiness when it comes to cookies, but I have finally nailed it. So here we are today. I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. It will really help my channel out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe because I post so many healthy recipes here on my channel. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So the recipe that I will be sharing with you guys today is for 12 cookies. First thing that we are going to do is actually melt our coconut oil because you want to let it cool down before actually mixing it with our other ingredients. So you will first need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is what is going to replace your butter. Alrighty, so here we have our melted coconut oil. Now I'm just going to set this aside and we're going to get started with everything else. So you are going to need 2 bowls, one for our dry ingredients and one for our wet ingredients. We are going to start off with the dry. Here I have 1.5 cups of quick oats. Then we have 1 cup of almond flour. Next, we'll go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, we will go in with some Ceylon cinnamon. You want to put about 2 teaspoons, but I don't really measure when it comes to this. I kind of eyeball it. Next, we are going to put just a pinch of Celtic sea salt. That's it for our dry ingredients. Let's go ahead and mix that all up. Alright, let's go ahead and put this aside. Now we'll get started on the wet ingredients. For our sweetener today, we will be using agave syrup. You can also use honey or maple syrup. Here I have 1 cup of raw agave syrup. Next, we will go in with a pinch of vanilla syrup. This is also something that I don't really measure. I kind of just put some in the cap, but I would say to put about a teaspoon worth. Next, let's go ahead and put 2 medium eggs. And finally, let's go ahead and put in the coconut oil that we melted before. Now let's stir that all up until it becomes perfectly blended together. Alrighty, once we're done that, let's go ahead and grab that bowl with the dry ingredients. And now we'll put the wet ingredients in this bowl. Let's mix that up. You can use your hands for this part. I just prefer to use my wooden spoon. This is already smelling so good. The last ingredient is, of course, dark chocolate chips. So we will be going in with 1 cup. This is something that you can really play around with. If you want less, you can put 1/2 cup. And if you want more, you can put 1.5. It really depends on you, but I love to put 1 cup. And these are 50% dark chocolates. Now we are going to let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then we are going to come back and assemble them and put them in the oven. Now is when you can start prepping your pan. So I do like to put a parchment paper just in case, not to make it stick. And I will be preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll just catch you guys in 30-45 minutes. Already, we are back about 45 minutes later. So I checked the consistency and it is perfect. Now we are going to roll them in 12 little balls. Make sure that if you are using your hands that you need to wash them. I will be using gloves today just because I do have some long nails. Now let's just go ahead and make some balls. I like to really press them together. Here they are. They already look and smell delicious. Now we are going to put them in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes. Keep an eye on them so that they don't burn. Now let's go ahead and put them in and I will be right back. And here they are. They smell absolutely amazing. Before putting them in here, I did let them sit for 10 minutes to cool down. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed them. Please leave me any comments down below on what other healthy recipes you would like me to film for you guys. I'm really thinking of filming my healthy date squares, so let me know if you would be interested in seeing that. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it and to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!